forgot my camera and I also forgot my eyebrows today because I'm going to get them tinted. So this is going to be one of the first few steps in my get ready with me video for Greece because there's some stuff I need to do. So we already got a massage. I need this. We are getting my eyebrows done, and then you guys will see me getting my hair done, and I'm also probably gonna try like self-tan tonight or sometime soon, and of course nails, and then I think we'll be complete. Is it bad that I don't know which salon I'm supposed to go to because there's 3 in this mall center and I don't remember which one I called. I think it's this one. Luxor.
Look what you showed me the picture.
Yeah. Can you guys tell I wear a darker foundation? This eyebrow itches though, but I can't touch it. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh yeah, for sure. Alright guys, my eyebrows are on. They look pretty good. I would say it was pretty quick, pretty easy. I've done it a few times before, so it's nothing that I don't know. I would just say that like the middle here, I tried to like fill it in a little bit because you guys can see like right here is where the dye is, but this part wasn't dyed. It's the right color. Could it have been a little neater? Yeah, probably. But I'm happy with it anyway, so there's that. So here's another step complete in my get ready with me for Greece vlog. Morning guys, it's the next day and I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'm gonna go get a balayage, which I've gotten before, and then a haircut. So here is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna get like, is that like 2 inches I think cut off? And lighter, that's not 3. Is that 3? This doesn't look like 3. Whatever. So here's what it looks like from the before. What are you getting, Lindsay?
I'm getting highlights and 5 inches cut off. So you won't be able to see the before because I have my hair pulled up. But you'll see the after.
Okay. Here's the before. Alright, here's the update. Here's after. Here's what it looks like. I feel 17 again because this is pretty close to the hair I had in 2017. So, ta-da! It is day 2 of my hair and day 3 of my eyebrows. They're looking pretty good so far. And right now I'm going to go get my nails done, and then tonight I will be for sure self-tanning, and this get ready with me process will be officially complete. So I am at the nail salon. I'm gonna go get these done. Here's just what it looks like. Literally nothing. Nothing. So let's go. I can't win, I swear. Here? No. Here? No. Here. Is this good? Not really. Oh, that made it so much worse. Well, here are my nails. They're light blue, and then as for my pedicure, I got white. Ta-da! Hi. So it is later right now, and I depart to Greece tomorrow. And I've realized that I'm just too lazy and don't want to bother self-tanning, so crossing my fingers that I will just get tan while I'm there. So I'm just doing a peel face mask as the last part of my Greece get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in Greece. Bye guys.